Hey guys, so in this video, I want to talk about headings and subheadings and how to use keywords in them without keyword stuffing. Okay, and the reason that you would use keywords in them is for better SEO. So first of all, I want to show you, here's my test blog page, and it's Hiking Safety, a guide for beginner hikers. And as we go through, you can see this is an H2 heading. This would be an H3. You can see it's a little smaller. And it's plan your hike. And then underneath, here's the first thing you do is research the trail, check the weather. Okay. And then this would be, I'm probably going to use this one the morning of the hike. And here's what we're going to do. Pack your gear. I've got a freebie in here. And then this one, what to watch out for during the hike, and safety on the trail will be one of them, and recovering from the hike, and H3 could be self-care, etc. So you can see how the H2s are broader, and then the H3s bring it down narrower and more concise. Now, the first thing I want to show you is this same blog post with no formatting. And so as you scroll through it, you can see how boring this is. It's like you don't know where to read, you don't know what to look at. So that's the importance of having these H2 and H3 headlines. This one becomes skimmable, which is what you want. You want that. This is how people understand a blog post and how they stay on it longer. If they can skim through, find the information that they're looking for without having to read the whole blog post or understand that they're going to find the information that they're searching for in this blog post. Okay, so what do we learn from this? Google pays attention to your headings and subheadings. This is better for your readers. It breaks up the wall of text, especially on mobile. It's very hard to read a wall of text on mobile, so that's how these headings break everything up. And it does increase your chances to rank. Okay, if you have a good keyword in a subheading, Google picks up on that and you could be in a featured snippet or something like that. So it's very important. So keywords also tell me what else I need to put into an article to cover all the bases. So I'm over here in Write Blogger, and I'm using the keyword cluster generator, and I put in hiking safety, which is my keyword, my main keyword, and it came up with all of these different um, clusters that I can use. And I can start with general hiking safety and talk about safe hiking practices, a hiking safety guide, that could be my freebie. And then the gear, I can talk about the best safety gear, a hiking first aid kit, emergency, a safety whistle. I never would have thought of that. Group and family hiking, you can put that in hiking safety for kids. Trail hazards, spotting dangerous wildlife. That would be a great one. Avoiding poison ivy, things like that. Navigation and getting lost, emergency preparedness, weather related, hydration and nutrition, health and medical. It goes on and on. And these are all great keywords to use in here, or long tail keywords. So the whole point is to have your main keyword, which is hiking safety, and then break it down into those clusters. And you could use these, and Rank Math is going to want to see the exact same keyword. They're going to ask you to put your focus keyword in your subheadings. And yes, you can do that to a point. You can say maybe one time, plan your hike for hiking safety, and get that main keyword in there. But you can't do research the trail for hiking safety, check the weather for hiking safety. So you have to use some different keywords or different variations of it Otherwise, it is just keyword stuffing. So it could be, you can use night hiking safety. Okay, and that gets it in naturally. Um, Trail safety tips, hiking trail safety tips you could use, things like that. But it has to sound natural. Don't just stuff them in there. Okay, so, and like I said, rank math is good to use if you want to get some ideas of where you're missing things. But don't take it as law. You don't have to see, this is a plain bare bones blog post, and I'm already up to a 57 score. So don't worry about the score. What you want to do is make sure that you have a focus keyword. You're going to want it in your SEO meta description, which is in your snippet right here. You're going to put the meta description in there, and you want it in your title. But other than that, you don't need to take all of this as law. Okay, so use Write Blogger, use the keyword cluster tool. It's really great, and hopefully this will help you to get some keywords in there without keyword stuffing and get found in search.